Hello friends, today we'll learn how to read an Excel file, and for that let's create a Jupyter notebook. The Jupyter notebook has been created and we can see the change in this folder as well. So you can see this file has been created. Now rename it as read Excel file. Excel file. Yeah, so it has been created now, and you can see it has the name of that CSV file has been changed from untitled to read Excel file. Now to read the Excel file, we have a function read underscore Excel, which is available in pandas. So what we will do is we will import pandas as PD. So now it has been imported. After that, we will use that function read x underscore Excel, and inside that we are going to pass the file, right? Name of the file. So let's see where the file is. So this is the file having the name favorite subject. Let's open it. So this is the content of the file, and what we need to do is we have to import this content in our Jupyter notebook. So what we will do is, first thing is we have to get this file uploaded here in the folder. So what we will do is the folder in which we are working specifically. So we are working in this folder Python coding. So here we will upload that Excel file. So let's upload it. So it has been uploaded. Now the name of the file is fav underscore subject with this extension. The extension of Excel file is XLSX. So we'll write it here in the quotes, fav subject dot XLSX. You can see error is being there. Why this error is there? Because we have to access it with the help of this. We'll write pd dot read Excel, and now we can see that the content of this file has been imported here, right? The complete data set has been imported here. And as I have told you in the earlier lecture, the better practice is to store it in some variable. Let's name the variable as df. So now this is being stored in this variable. Now to see the part of that data set, we will simply write df, and we can see the whole data set, which is having 16 rows. Not 16, but it is starting from 0. So we have 17 rows, right? Now we'll see the data type of this. So again, it is in data frame only. And if you want to see the top 5 contents of this data set, we will write df dot head. So it is going to give you the top 5 rows of the data set. Similarly, if you write df dot tail, it will give you the last 5 rows of a data set, right? So this is how we import a data set having Excel with the help of this function read Excel. That's all for today. We'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.